Unboxing. Here we go. About to put it to work. We got 75-25 argon carbon dioxide mix, and then we're gonna set this at about, so wow, this tank thought I had more in it. Okay, I'm missing this piece right here. Hold on. Well, this is gonna go up to about 15, maybe between 15 and 20, depending where you're welding. If you're welding interior, you can do at 15. If you're welding exterior, you can go a little bit up, depending if there's some wind. That way, that's your pressure valve. That's how much gas will be coming out your cup over there. And that's what protects your weld from oxidation. Alright, now I got it. So this goes here. And so this is how much gas is in here. So if it was full, it should be at 2,000 about, but it's not. So here, now we're getting it up there. I think that's good. So everything's hooked up. I'm gonna turn it on. Put it on wire. Also does TIG, but you gotta buy that that adapter goes to it. Stick. I'm gonna start off with wire, and then right here you'll find your settings. So if you need a guide, you know, like this is 030 wire. That's the thickness of the wire. So 030. And then we're gonna weld. I like to run it hot and fast, so H8. I mean, we're gonna weld 16 gauge, maybe closer to 14 gauge, but we're gonna put it at H8, and that's the settings. Running steel, MIG,